Stocks are trading higher this morning, but have pulled back from earlier highs. As I speak to you right now, both the Russell 2000 and the Dow futures are just above the flat line. The S&P is still up by 0.21%, and the Nasdaq is also up by about 0.2%. Weekly jobless claims came in slightly stronger than expected, not good news, and U.S. GDP quarter over quarter printed at minus 0.2%, beating forecasts despite remaining negative. Pending home sales, however, dropped sharply, down 6.3% versus expectations of just a 0.9% drop and a previous read of plus 5.5%. Gold and silver are rising while copper and crude oil are both lower. The dollar is also slightly lower and long-end interest rates have dipped, but only modestly, about 1 basis point. In a surprise decision, a U.S. trade court blocked the bulk of former President Donald Trump's recent tariff increases, stating that Congress, not the executive branch, holds the authority to regulate international trade. This could have implication for future trade policy negotiations. Meanwhile, tomorrow's release of the PCE price data is the most important thing going in the short term, with the potential to bring volatility depending on that surprise factor. Looking ahead, we get speeches from San Francisco Fed President Mary Daly and Bank of England Governor Andrew Bailey. This afternoon, the U.S. Treasury will auction off $44 billion in 7-year notes. After the close today, we'll get earnings from 14 companies with market caps over $1 billion, including Costco, Gap, Ulta Beauty, Dell Technologies, Marvel Technologies, and Zscaler. Before the market opens tomorrow, only 2 companies with over $1 billion in market caps are reporting, and neither one is U.S.-based. Key economic data tonight: Japanese industrial production and Australian retail sales. Tomorrow we get German CPI and retail sales, Canadian GDP, the PCE I mentioned, and then final May Michigan consumer sentiment, inflation expectations data, and then Chinese PMI data tomorrow evening.